This is Samsung 970 EVO Plus NVMe SSD 1TB model. I got this for my 2018 LG Gram. This is 14-inch C980 series. It's running Core i5 and 8th generation Core i5 Full HD display, etc. The 970 EVO Plus is an updated version of the original 970s. I believe the improvement in speed is actually better than the 980 Pros. According to some tech websites, the improvements are from software, the controller software, etc. So also they have improved some other manufacturing techniques, I don't know, but the read and write speeds are amazing on this budget SSD. The sequential read speed is around 3.5 gigabytes per second, and the write speed is 3.2 gigabytes per second. As you can see, the package is minimal and it comes with a quick start guide, installation instructions, etc., some paperwork, and the SSD itself. As you can see, the SSD is pretty small and you need to look out for that pin. So if you are going to buy the SSD for your laptop, make sure that it will support your laptop, the length, width, etc. So it is absolutely crazy when you need to choose the right SSD for your laptop. LG website itself showing that this laptop only support SATA interface. Maybe they are saying that the laptop is shipped with a SATA SSD. But some positive comments I saw online that this laptop will support NVMe technology. So actually I'm still not sure it will work or not in this laptop. Anyway, I'm going to try this SSD and keep you updated. Check out my next video for the results. This is just an unboxing and some quick thoughts about this NVMe SSD from Samsung. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. This is Vishnu. Bye.